everyone, my name is Ritika Dasal and I am the official ambassador for the International Youth Math Challenge. Today we are going to see how you can apply for the qualification round. First, you need to visit the IYMC website. Click on the first link. As you can see, I have already opened this website. Here you will find all the related information about the competition. The International Youth Math Challenge is divided into three stages. The first stage is the qualification round, which is free of cost. Students all over the world can apply to this competition. So, let's see what's the qualification round 2020. The qualification round 2020 has 5 questions from different categories of maths. So, the students who are above 18 years have to solve any 4 of these questions, and the students who are below 18 years can solve any 3 of these questions. The students can submit their solution in typed form or in handwritten form. If you are typing your solution, then you will also get an honor mention on your certificate. For the qualification round, students can work in team and also use various resources for completing this competition. Let's see how you can apply for this competition once you are done with your solution. Click on the submission link. This link I will also give you in the description box. Enter your full name, which you will like to have on your certificate. Enter one email address. Then your birthday. The process is very simple. Just read the instructions given in the blue line. The country you belong to. Here, note, if you are studying outside your city, then you have to enter the college city in which you are studying. Enter your school name or your college name. If you are having your college or school email ID, you can enter over here, but it is optional. Now, select your solution. So as you can see, I have selected my file which I would like to upload as my solution. Enter one password for your account. In your IMC ambassador field, select my name Ritika Dasal and click on agree. So basically after doing these steps, you are actually creating one login page for your account in which you will get all your certificates and results in one place. Remember to submit your solution before 11th October. Now, let's see. So, as you can see here, all the information of my submission is available. So, my name, email address, college name, and for qualification round, my submission is done. The results will be announced on Monday, 19th October. So, till then, you have to wait and visit this page after 19th October to receive your certificate. Remember, this competition is free of cost and you don't have to pay any money. If you want to apply further for the pre-final round, then you have to pay a fees of $8 to the IYMC website. Till then, thank you.